Today we are diving into the exciting world of YouTube channel creation. Ever dreamed of sharing your passion, building a community, or maybe even becoming a YouTube star? Well, guess what? You can to get your channel launched. Finding your niche. First thing first, what are you passionate about? Cooking, gaming? Find your sweet spot and tailor your channel to it. Channel name and branding. Pick a catchy channel name that reflects your content. Design a cool logo and a banner that grabs attention. Content is king. Plan your content. High quality content is key, but don't be afraid to start simple. Gearing up. You don't need fancy equipment to begin. Use your phone camera and a free editing software. Invest in better gear as your channel grows. Optimizing for success. Master the art of SEO. Use relevant keywords in your titles and description to get discovered. Encourage engagement with calls to action and end screens. Be consistent and patient. Building a successful channel takes time and dedication. Upload consistently, analyze your performance, and adapt to what works. Feeling inspired? Leave a comment below with your channel idea. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube tips.